Welcome to the iconic Park Vendome condominium. Before we show you this amazing garden,
let's go see apartment 10FG at 333 West 56th Street.
Upon entering this stunning home, one is greeted by a dramatic open floor plan that is only enhanced by 8 sunny south-facing casement windows, allowing in the striking Midtown skyline views. This carefully curated combination apartment is a dream for those who love to entertain. The expansive grand living space accommodates numerous sitting areas, including this dining area with this massive table that accommodates 10 people.
A cozy library niche with custom built-in bookcases.
And a music alcove with a grand piano that once called Tavern on the Green home. The flexible layout of this glamorous home offers a cozy guest suite at the end of the living area that is separated from the rest of the home with floor-to-ceiling pocket doors, allowing guests to enjoy a comfortable built-in daybed and the custom ensuite honed marble bath. This guest area can easily be expanded to accommodate a full-size second bedroom. The sophisticated chef's kitchen features top-tier appliances, white lacquer cabinets, which are paired perfectly with Carrara marble countertops and matching backsplash. The washer and dryer are also located under the counters. Right off the kitchen, on a warm summer night, one can enjoy dining al fresco on the beautifully planted south-facing terrace with Midtown views. The sumptuous primary bedroom is the ultimate retreat when retiring from a busy day. The enormous walk-in closet that also acts as a dressing area is equipped with custom cabinetry. The spacious ensuite bathroom is clad in slab Carrara marble walls and features a walk-in rain shower and a freestanding extra deep soaking tub. The Park Vendome was built in 1929 and is comprised of 4 buildings that are situated around a large private garden. Other amenities include full-time door-attended lobbies, fitness center, game room, library, and residence lounge. Located in the heart of the West Side, one can enjoy close proximity to Central Park, the Time Warner Center, Carnegie Hall, Lincoln Center, fine dining, and transportation. If you'd like to see this amazing home, please give us a call. I'm Jcaraccioli.
And I'm Harlan Simon. We'd love to show it to you.